dito sa dito sa columns natin, makikita natin first yung tax type natin. Ano yung mga tax type? Ito yung mga babayaran nating taxes. And then, ito yung mga tax forms natin. Kailan tayo magfa-file, kailan mag-start magfa-file, at yung frequency. Okay. So let's say for example, this BIR Form 2303. Meron tayong withholding tax final. So, yan yung ating tax. Ngayon, ano yung tax form natin dyan? Ang tax form na gagamitin natin ay 0619F. So kapag pumunta ka dun sa EBIR forms, hanapin mo dun yung 0619F. So kailan ka magbabayad ng 0619F? That will start on September 11, 2021. And you need to file it monthly. And when we say monthly, anong ibig sabihin yan? So every month, you need to file final withholding tax. That is on or before the 10th day following the month in which the withholding was made.